Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I missed you guys. I haven't shot in like a week or two because I was so sick. But I'm back. I'm back with a bang. It's the start of the festive season, and I'm here to teach you how you can do this very easy three-step eye look, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? What do you think? Raksha Bandhan aa raha hai, Janmashtami aa rahi hai, everything's going to be in your face. So you got to learn how to do it. It's very easy. You're going to look absolutely amazing. बहुत compliments मिलने वाले हैं. So let's learn how to do it. Let's go.
Let's start with the Benefit Pore Freshener Primer. This is one of my favorite primer. मेरी skin oily है इसलिए I prefer कि मैं matte primers, matte products use करूँ अच्छा makeup base बनाने के लिए. Next up, we definitely want a very glowy, dewy base. This festive season, who doesn't want it? जब skin एकदम shiny, glass skin लगती है, everybody loves that. Everybody loves that. So we have to achieve that आज. ये मेकअप लुक बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी होने वाला है बट ये ऐसा लगेगा कि यार आपने कितने घंटे लगाए हैं तैयार होने में जब it's just gonna take you like 10-15. This product is really good. This has been my favorite for ages now and look how shiny it is. Look at it. Look at that. Yes, look at that. Look at that glow. Wow. And इसके बाद if you're gonna get like sun-kissed pics, कितनी cool pictures आएंगी. Damn. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal's Infallible Foundation. Also a great foundation if you have oily skin. This goes very well and it stays on your skin throughout the day, which is the best part. Because हमें बार बार touch up करने में कोई interest नहीं है, especially when it's very humid. ये खत्म होने वाला है. I love this so much. It's literally about to get over. And it looks skin-like at the end, which is what we love. बहुत कम foundation लगाया है because that's what we want. Like less is always more. So we're just gonna blend it out. Do you see that? Oh wow. Wow. And remember, whenever you're blending out the foundation, कभी भी ऐसे ड्रैग मत करना प्रोडक्ट को बिकॉज उससे सारा प्रोडक्ट एक तो आपके ब्रश पे आ जाएगा एंड आपकी स्किन पे कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं. तो इट्स बेसिकली वेस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. जब भी आप कुछ भी मेकअप लगाओ जस्ट डैब इट इन योर स्किन बिफोर यू स्टार्ट विद मेकअप. डोंट फॉरगेट स्किन केयर. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने ऑलरेडी कर ली थी इसलिए मैंने कैमरा पे नहीं करी है बट यू डोंट फॉरगेट इट. Key. That is the key to a good canvas, a good makeup look that lasts throughout the day. Just take your time अच्छे से आराम से to blend the foundation ताकि कहीं से भी patchy ना रहे and just dab it in your skin. Now that we're done with blending out our foundation, अब हम मेरे trusty and most favorite concealer combination use करने वाले हैं. ये है Huda Beauty and Maybelline. ये फाउंडेशन से मेरे एक शेड लाइटर है एंड दिस इज लाइक 2 shades lighter. So I'm just gonna put this over here. And remember always less is more. मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंसीलर लग गया but you can apply थोड़ा. इतने की ज़रूरत नहीं है unless you want really full coverage. The lighter one we are going to apply on the inner corner, highlight points of our face with just the bridge of your nose, your chin. Huda Beauty का बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented concealer है. So even if you apply like छोटू सा amount, this is gonna go a long way. And another concealer hack which I absolutely love and I do it all the time is जब concealer लगा लिया just leave it on for 30 seconds. And once you do that, it's a game changer. Blend it out 30 seconds, 1 minute के बाद इतना अच्छा full coverage आ जाता है उसके बाद like it's just a different concealer. Look at that. Look at the difference in both the eyes. I love this hack. I've also seen ये hacks जिसमें concealer लगा के वो setting powder लेते हैं dip करके directly वो blend करने लग जाता है. But I don't know about this because I think कि उससे आपका face cakey लग सकता है and we don't want that. Because अगर आप dry और liquid को mix कर रहे हो एकदम से I don't know how long it will last. मेरे ख्याल से वो separate होने लग जाएगा. हमेशा concealer को upward motion में blend करना, which will give your face a lifted look, which we want. इसके बाद अब मैं और कोई cream product नहीं use करने वाली हूँ except the blush, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna set my face. Huda Beauty powder से this again one of my favorites. I'm gonna apply the powder except my under eyes and my T-zone because I get very very sweaty there. तो जहाँ पे भी आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसीना आता है वहाँ पे अपना सेट कर सकते हो. There you go. Just gonna take this puff. इस पे जितना भी एक्सेस है हाथ पे ले लेंगे and next up we're gonna use a bronzer. मैं contour की जगह bronzer use करने वाली हूँ. The difference between a contour and a bronzer is just contour बहुत cool tone होता है and bronzer is very bronze. You look like a bronzed goddess, sun-kissed literally. And I've hit the pan इस पे. I love this so much. It is truly one of my favorite bronzers. We're just gonna apply the bronzer over here. Whenever you feel the need of applying the bronzer, apply it on your jawline as well. Next up, we're going to be using this very beautiful coral shade. I love coral shades on my skin. तो आपके skin tone को जो भी blush या जो भी color suit करता है, definitely go for that. And don't think कि आपको सिर्फ pink blush लगाना है. It's not like that. There are a lot of blushes. Purple, coral, red, whatever you like. Just go what suits your face. So I am going to apply loads of blush. This is a very dewy blush. बहुत प्यारा लगता है लगा हुआ. And then हम इसे blend करेंगे. And ये वाला blush मुझे क्यों पसंद है? Because it has that shine to it, right? तो ये highlighter, blush सबका काम करता है. Look how pretty that is. Wow. I hope इसका color camera पे आ रहा है because it is very pretty and very subtle. But also it like ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप अंदर से खुश हो. You know what I mean? I love how the base is looking. ये बहुत अच्छे से हुआ है, बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. So now let's move on to the eyes. And वो बहुत ही basic लगने वाला है, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगने वाला है. So you don't have to be stressed about it. Because I know eyes के मामले में बहुत लोगों को डर लगता है. So just watch this. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. एक बहुत ही प्यारी palette है. इसमें सारे colors हैं. So if you're looking to invest in a palette, go for this one. I'm just gonna take this brown. It's called Homeboy, and इसको अपने outer corner पे लगाएंगे हम सबसे पहले. Just like that. Just tap it there. कुछ blend नहीं करना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस tap कर दो. And ये जो outer corner पे shade लगाया अब इसी को लेके हमें और shade नहीं लेना. अब इसी को लेके we're just gonna blend it inwards on our crease. तो एक crease पे line बन जाएगी. Now that we're done, the same thing दोनों eyes पे मैं ये वाला shimmer लेने वाली हूँ. It's called Ride or Diamonds. Look at that. It's very very subtle. Focus. Hello. Yeah. Look how subtle it is. According to your outfit, you can pick up any shimmer you like. बहुत ही subtle होते हैं shimmers. That is the difference between a glitter and a shimmer. Shimmers are very very subtle. And you can ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा buildable होता है तो you don't have to be scared of anything. Just make sure कि ये जो shimmer है ये आपकी crease पे ही रहे and you just tap it and ये crease से ऊपर ना जाए. Same चीज़ अब इधर भी करना है हमें. दोनों eyes पे मैंने shimmer लगा लिया है. Look how gorgeous it looks. मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आता है इंडियन कपड़ों में इंडियन ऐसे मेकअप करते हुए. अभी तो हम काजल लगाए ना I'll be वाह. तो next अब हमारा ऊपर का हो गया. Now we're just gonna take the brown shade. ने lower lash line पे लगाएंगे. ये lower lash line पे लगाने से आई shadow पूरा connect हो जाता है, right? So the eyes look very complete इसके बाद. That is important. You don't look weird नीचे आई shadow लगा के. So don't worry. Now that we're done with this, जिसको eyeliner नहीं लगाना आता है, do not worry because I've got a hack for you. ऐसा एक angled brush लेना है आपको, right? This is called a eyeliner brush. And इसको black eyeshadow में dip करके, you just have to apply it on your upper lash line. ज़रूरी नहीं है eyeliner बनाना. It's chill, okay? It's chill. So you can see the difference over here and here. ये कितना ज़्यादा full लग रहा है. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा अपने inner corner पे भी करा है for that cat eye effect. And now that you're done with this, हम बस जो हमने लगाया उसको हम थोड़ा smudge कर देंगे for that messy, effortless look. This is how our eyes are going to look after you smudge it. Look how pretty and simple it is. अब बस last step है ये काजल लगाना है हमें and we're done with the eyes. How easy was that? वो messy look के लिए I really like the messy look. मैं बस इसको smudge कर दूँगी on my lower lash line. You see the difference? It makes your eyes look bigger, which I love. I use to do my eyebrows. This is the Anastasia brow pomade. This is how it looks. को ऊपर brush कर देंगे. To spread the hair. And we're just gonna fill in any gaps. आगे से थोड़ा सा fill करते हैं. And I use a very very light hand. बिल्कुल भी pressure देके मत करना or you look like a cartoon. Okay, we don't want that. We want it to look very natural. So fill in any gaps that you feel you have. And if you want to extend your eyebrows, you can do that as well. Don't overdo it. Alright, I'm going to be using a highlighter. ये Rare Beauty का highlighter है. Girl, this is so pretty and so pigmented. You just need a little amount. I love it. I love it. तो आप एक powdered highlighter भी use कर लो if you're comfortable with that. It's totally up to you. मैं कभी भी liquid highlighters नहीं use करती थी because I felt कि मेरे जो भी मैंने base किया है उसको break up कर देते थे, which is so bad. But ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करता and it just stays on your face, doesn't ruin anything beneath it. Next up, I'm going to be using the Push Up Mascara by Charlotte Tilbury. For the video, we are going to apply eyelashes, but you can skip it if you'd like. I'm back. मैंने eyelashes लगा लिया है. I think it just adds to the look. I love it. Okay, so next up we're going to be using the Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade Toasted Brown. ये प्यारा nude shade है. Looks very pretty on your lips. And it's definitely an everyday color. If you also apply a pink shade with this eye look, it will look absolutely amazing. But I felt like wearing brown. So here I am. So we're all done with the makeup look. I think it looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? But before we go, last but not the least, bindi लगाना तो बहुत जरूरी है. Traditional पहना है. Is this in the center? I think it is.
Okay, so that was it for the video. I hope you loved it. I hope you're going to try this. And if you do let me know. I would love to see it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.